If you're looking for a fun way to enjoy your pool this summer, look no further than this IGL basketball gold. I'm going to show you how to set this up and my review. So let's dive in. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open it up. I want to show you everything that comes inside of here. When you open this up, you have the ball. So you need to make sure you have a pump so you can pump that up. And then you'll have all the parts and pieces right here. You can see everything that you'll need for this. You have the backboard, the little base, as well as the rim. You want to make sure that you can reach in here and grab your instructions as well. First thing you'll do is go ahead and get the little post, set that out where you can see what it looks like right here. You want these little parts on the top up there. That's where you're going to put the basketball goal. Easy enough. All you have to do is slide the base right on here. It kind of clips right in. You can see it kind of feels snug in there, nice and tight. Then you might want to grab someone to help you here. You're just going to put all of these screws into the basketball goal itself and then also into the backboard. Once these screws are in there, they kind of hold themselves in. You just screw them in, and again, it's going to hold everything together so it's nice and tight. So again, you'll have the basketball goal, and then you also have the hoop kind of connected to this post. And again, all you're going to do is just grab some of the hardware that you have that it came with. Then you'll continue putting all the hardware in until all of the screws are nice and tight. Then I'll show you the back right here. Once you've tightened all those screws in the front the best way you can, you'll grab this little T-handle, and it'll help you tighten everything real nice and tight right here. So again, you can see you're just going to be hand tightening these the best you can. So this will, again, make sure that everything is tight as it can be. So if you're going to be jumping on this or even dunking on this in the pool, you don't want this to fall on you. So again, see all of these options right here. Then once you got everything nice and tight, you go ahead and put the net on, and it's just like a regular basketball goal net. You want to make sure all of these are hooked in here nice and tight. You don't want any of these kind of coming out or any of that kind of stuff, especially with kiddos playing on this basketball goal. So just make sure everything is in there, and it should look good. This only takes a few minutes to put this thing together, which is really nice, but it's also pretty sturdy. So let's go ahead and check out what this looks like at the pool. And as you can see, this is really nice and really makes the basketball goal pop itself with the pool. I love the colors. Again, really nice color, especially next to the pool. All you're gonna have to do is come here in the bottom in this little part right there, the base, you'll need to put some type of water. That way it's gonna stay there and you're not gonna push it anywhere. So it's gonna be nice and convenient and easy for it to stay still. And then you can go and have some fun. You can see it's really sturdy, really strong, and everything is screwed in and nice and tight, so it's not going to be moving anywhere. You can play on it pretty rough. Your kids can dunk on it, shoot on it, and I think it really makes the pool a lot more fun in the summer just for kids to have a blast on as well. Overall, I think this is a great basketball goal. It's super sturdy. It looks really good. It's going to last a pretty good while. I can't say how long it's going to last because we've only been using it for about a month or so, but it has lasted a long time so far. I definitely think this is one I would highly recommend if you are interested in any type of basketball goal. I will have a link for this item down below. If you're interested, you can definitely check it out down there. But if the video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.